Yeah. Yeah.
I chickened out, so we're taking a 5 minutes to seek, I think.
They'll never like me, they'll never like me, yeah. Got my new job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never like me, no. They'll never like me, yeah. I guess it started with my father working at his pizza.
Okay, here we go. I'm scared. I don't want to hold this particular angle. Just hold it.
Okay, any angle.
The first thing I'm going to drop is your GoPro.
Yeah,
Okay.
hold it here, that's all. Don't hold it here and all.
First thing anything happens to him, your GoPro is going to go.
While I wash the dishes, folding boxes, and taking people's orders. Back when all the phones recorded, you know, when there's a storm and begging parents for some Jordans. Unaware it short the mortgage before 6th grade. I had a job though it paid. Waking up at 6 on the weekdays was a bitch. They had me in the sticks, throwing paper on the steps of the rich. Every step I was taking felt like less than an inch. So I quit and stayed with Pops mowing on since the parlor had gone out of business. And this was just the way he moved on. Though every day he would wake with a yawn that I knew was way different. Got a new job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never like me, no. They'll never like me, yeah.
Shit. Oh my God. Just as work permits. At 14, sure thing you can work with a work permit. All clean, over the table, get paid under if you're able. What I mean is watching claims if you work for tip. That advice came from a waiter. I was busting but in training. I was too nice then to take it, but grew wiser as I waited. Watched the president comment how to use it for schools. And said they build another bomb for the clueless to use. Now I'm out here. Trying to see the buck is there as these country club members who mount them for us to fear. I fill the cups and then I park the cars and sit and wonder why the luck ain't as sparse as ours. Got a new job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never like me, no. ನೀವು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕೆ
Before I learned to have a way with words and live off it, I cooked, bus, served, valet, the dishwash. I walked and observed kids play in a maze, and later walked through the maze to wash the piss off it. I built homes and nature trails, man, I pulled weeds, worked retail and detail schedules for special needs. I wore animal noses and steel-toed boots. I held hammers and roses and filled those scoops with ice cream till my team killed those loops. Called ourselves the Percussions till we lost two. Came back with empty buckets, gotta fill those too. Always ignoring the hole that the fill goes through. Got a new job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never like me, no. They'll never like me, yeah. Got a new job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never like me, no. They'll never like me, yeah.
dude. You want to ride?
No freaking way!
We'll stop there. No? You want to hold it or? Hold it here. No, it's very easy.
It is still heavy. It is heavy.
I thought you'll take it like this. So
How am I supposed to take it when you go like this and I'm like first hold myself up? You know, protect myself for this thing.